I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, baby, I'm arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my plug and I can't say.
What's up guys, it's your girl Jh'Nelle and I'm back with the vibes. We are on the road. We're going to Orlando for Jordan's birthday. Huh? So we're going to Orlando for your birthday.
It's my birthday.
No, it's Sunday. No,
What's
today's
Sunday?
But yeah.
Yes.
City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not your violent with you. Now I'm not your solid treatment. That means no permission. No missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No.
Where's she at? Upstairs? Hi, Mom. How are you? How you doing? Jason over there in the corner. This is a nice house. I'm at. Someone's supposed to take that road. It's supposed to take 5 hours. Us too, though. Because there was a car crash. I feel like it took long. There was a lot of traffic.
And we was in traffic for about, what, an hour?
I tried to tell you. You told me to wait and never came back.
I could have found a room.
That you could have just left it right there.
Kingsley, did
you could have left it right there.
The room?
No, because I didn't know which one it was.
You could have left it right there and then figured it out later. Just came back. Just left me at the car. This Auntie Star just rocking because Josiah want me. Kai, you see my mom? Yeah. That's one right there. Yeah. So this is when you walk up the stairs. Let's go this way, Jordan. Walk up the stairs. You have a living room. Living room. That's a big TV. I don't know what this thing is really. I don't know what it's called, so I ain't even gonna call it nothing, but just it. This is gonna be the kids' room, possibly. I can see them in here with their PlayStation on a TV. Bathroom, conjoined to another room that nobody gonna be in, honestly, unless my sister picked this room, but I'm not sure. And then we got 2 rooms over here. I don't know, this might be the kids' room right here, but I'm gonna start this way first because I look lit. This is the regular adult room. This is gonna be KJ's friend's room, cousin's room. Oh, this is nice. This might be the boys' room, but we'll see what they choose. I feel like they're gonna choose a bunk bed just so they could jump off the bed. Sad.
I'm not mad at this.
It's nice, right?
You got the key for the whip? Yeah. You say yo.
I'm coming, Mom. They're trying to get rid of this colorful ass blanket. This room nice. I like the colorful pictures. Another bathroom. Yeah. Nice. I got all the chargers in this bag right here. And then this is our room. And then we have a bathroom. Yeah. Very nice. Our sitting area. I can see us right here, you know, vibing, watching music videos. Yeah, by the pool. Yeah. Tell me it ain't a vibe. Yeah. I can see us right here. Gee. I need to go upstairs and do the rest of the house tour. That's what I need to be doing.
Happy birthday! Should we make sure that's not that's your brother or something? Who, David? No, that little skinny nigga. Raheem, you talking about Raheem? Yeah. Yeah, that's what she's brother.
Right here.
Is that? Yeah, I mean
right now, thought I was gonna find a remote, but we about to get in the pool, and I'm about to put Josiah in the pool for the first time. So I'm excited to see how he reacts.
Motherfucking smoke, that my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no wig on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, but I'm kind. She don't need no bitch in the strip club. No more girls on tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in.
Yep, we gotta take this long way. Now you see why I said we got to get up early? Yeah. So it's a volcano for me. I can't wait to go in there. Not at night like that. That's something. I think that's a new thing because it's never been that color before. Yeah, we out. It's Fat Tuesdays. That's it. Let's go. Duh. I'm Cherry Racks. I love being Cherry Racks. What I said, I love being Cherry Racks.
Cherry Racks in the building.
Funny.
Much high.
Much possibilities.
I feel like in my room. Just like that. I already gotta get off. I have a lot of rides, but tempting.
Magic in my hand. That's where we're walking to, right there.
That's a real robot.
I said it's a guy, right?
Oh, yeah.
You see the butt, right? You think so? The legs in the butt. The legs in the butt. Get the butt, right?
Thank you. That don't look like a dog.
The arms. Come on, there's somebody there. It gives it a voice. You know, she's acting. Don't let it fool you.
I'm gonna go get a picture with him.
You want to take a picture? Let's take a picture. You are.
Covered in sprinkles and I love it.
Yeah.
I was just talking about how I take them with me everywhere because I like to sprinkle myself.
Yeah, I do too. I love glitter.
Hi, honey, so you understand.
Can you take a picture with you
I
guys?
would be delighted. Would you
Thank
like my
you.
best friend in there?
Never got you boy being modest. I've been shipping only, but you know you poppin', yeah. No, baby, in a bag and I'm working. No, not a bag with the work.
What's up, guys? So it is March 26th. Today is Jordan's birthday. He's not with me. He's with my mom. I don't know where they at, but we're gonna call him and we'll meet up with them when we get inside. We are headed to Volcano Bay. Everybody is pool ready. So yeah, I honestly hope it's not too packed though. Let's see. We're about to get on the bus. You guys ready? You ready? You ready, Jordan?
I got the VIP service.
I told him. Jordan, you ready? You gonna have so much fun? You ready, Stara? Ooh. Huh? Now everybody want to record. You guys excited? You guys excited? Y'all just look like y'all hot.
Because it is hot.
Huh? I didn't get to record much, but just know we had so much fun at Volcano Bay. I would do it all over again. Uh-oh. Be careful.